Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone.com and my little helper, Johanna. She loves to help me cook most of the time. And today we're going to show you how to make sourdough pancakes. So in a recent video, I told you all about sourdough and the uses for it. I even shared a recipe for sourdough English muffins, and I had a lot of requests for my pancake recipe. It's time to get the cast iron skillets preheating. I'm getting these all going on medium because we want it to be nice and hot before the pancake batter goes in. So I'm gonna get a little bit of coconut oil going in all of these because I really like when pancakes have that fried flavor. So if you put them on whenever there's some hot oil, it kind of almost tastes like a donut. First, we're gonna start by putting 2 cups of sourdough starter into our bowl. For the sourdough starter, you're going to want it to be fed starter. So don't take it out of the refrigerator, feed it with a couple of cups of flour and water, and then immediately make the pancakes. You're gonna wanna wait about 8 hours. Now, if you put it away last time fed, you can also pull it out of the refrigerator and use directly like that, just as long as you didn't just put the flour and water in it and it hasn't had time to ferment. That's not what you want, but as long as it's fed, you should be good to go. Next, add 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and then a whole teaspoon of baking soda. Now you gotta be careful to kind of spread it out slowly because if there's any little clumps, then you'll get a clump of baking soda and it doesn't taste so great.
Now it tastes horrible.
Ooh, it's foaming. If the sourdough starter felt thick before, at this point, it actually feels like more like a traditional pancake batter, and the foaminess kind of makes it really lightweight, and that's gonna be a really good pancake. Now, if you make batter ahead of time, I would recommend not putting in the baking soda until the last minute. Okay, I'm gonna drop this on, and we want that sizzle. That's good.
Good, really good.
Now, the goal, of course, is to only flip 1 time, so we're gonna let it cook for a while before we flip. All right, so I'm going to test to see if this one's ready. That is good. Now I'm gonna try on my big skillet. We got a few plain ones done. Now we're gonna show you some of our favorite variations, and that is blueberry and chocolate chip.
Can I make mini pancakes?
All right, so we're gonna smother these with some grass-fed butter and some raw honey. Head to my blog, farmhouseonboone.com. I will link below this exact post where I share this recipe. You can print it off, keep it up in your cabinets, and have access to it so that you can make sourdough pancakes. We make ours every Saturday, and that's just been a great tradition in our home. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to sourdough starter, check out my everything you need to know about sourdough starter and how to make one from scratch video that I did a while back. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.